Do you know the inside layout of this container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet shipping container. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, and also tea unit on the front wall. And we have a kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and also a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go on the right side. So we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and also a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And also we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go on the left side, so we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the left side we have 3 feet in meter 0.91 meter wide passage here. And on the left side we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and a large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.